everyone, I'm back with another video. This is the Funds 1-person 3-season tent. As you guys can see, it's very compact. It's very small. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weigh it in, and we're going to see exactly how much it weighs, and then after that we're going to go ahead and we're going to see everything else it offers. Okay guys, we're looking at 4 pounds 7.1 ounces. That's 4 pounds 7.1 ounces. Like I said guys, what we're going to do next is we're going to unpack it and we're going to see exactly what it comes with, and we're going to be setting it up, and I'll see you in the next part of the video. Okay everyone, I am back. This is the Funds 1-person tent. There is the Rainfly, there is the tent. It also comes with a footprint. There are the 2 fiberglass poles, plus it also comes with a stuff sack for those fiberglass poles. There is the stuff sack for the 4 guylons with tensioners, and plus it also comes with 12 aluminum stakes. The footprint is made out of Oxford 3000 millimeter material. The tent and the Rainfly are made out of 420D Ripstop nylon, and it is UV coated. The nylon on the tent and the Rainfly itself are waterproof and made out of 5000 millimeter material. So what I'm going to be doing next, everyone, I am going to be putting the footprint down, and I am also going to be setting up the tent, talking about the tent, and then after that we are going to set up the Rainfly. Also wanted to add, here is the stuff sack to all of this, and it does fit in this really compact stuff sack, so really nice. And it does also have these compression straps to compress it down, very small. So everyone, there is the footprint to the tent. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be staking it out with these 4 stakes. So I'm going to do that right now. So there you go everyone, there it is. I staked it out. Now the next thing I am going to be doing is setting up the tent. So there you go everyone, there is a tent. I demonstrated both from the lower point to the higher point on the whole setup in my time lapse. There it is everyone, there is the tent set up. This is a 420D Ripstop nylon. It is UV coated. So the doors do roll down, not up. That is something that is different on this tent. Really cool that it does roll down to give you instead of having it rolled up to the top, it does roll down to the bottom. So I am going to be rolling it down and showing you how that looks, and then you are going to be able to see the bug netting. So this tent does offer plenty of ventilation as well. It does offer plenty of ventilation. So there you go everyone. There is the door from the nylon rolled down, and here's the bug netting mesh, really nice, fine, and also these pulls on The zippers are neon coated, so it's going to be very easy to see them at night or see them during the day where exactly they're at. And they are double zippers. You do have them on the outside and the inside, so really nice that it does offer that. And like I said before, everyone, this is a freestanding tent. As you can see, this is a freestanding tent, so really nice that this is a freestanding tent as well. There you go, everyone. That is fully ventilated. What I did is I ended up opening up the both doors to show both mesh bug netting on both sides for more ventilation. Really nice ventilation on this tent. What I'm going to do is I am going to take you off my tripod and I am going to take you around this tent. Like I said, really nice zipper systems as well. Very well stitched tent. This is all double stitched all around it, as you can see. And here are the zippers themselves with these really nice gray and yellow and neon orange pulls on them. Really nice that it does offer this, and it does have these pulls that are very reflectant. And like I said, they are double zippers. As you can see, they are through the inside and through the outside on the bug netting and the mesh itself. As you can see, it does offer these pulls throughout, so really nice that it does offer this as well. The other thing I did want to show you guys, these are the fiberglass poles, and this is very easy. This is just a clip-on system that it does have, so very easy to clip on these on the poles themselves. Really easy all over. So I did want to show you the clips. Very nice heavy duty clips that it does offer, so very nice, very well constructed. I do want to take you up to the top of the tent itself. Here you go. You can see that it does have more of this really nice bug netting on the top as well, so you are going to be able to view stars or whatever. If it is a nice night, you are going to be able to see up, and plus you're going to get a lot of ventilation. So I am going to pan on both sides like that. You can see what it does look like. So really nice all in all tent. I really like it a whole bunch. I am going to show you the clip systems that it does have here. So it does have clips down here, and this is the Oxford ground sheet that it does come with. So here is the footprint itself, and the tent is right on top of it, as you can see. And these are the clips right here for the Rainfly itself. And this is the bathtub flooring that it does have. Like I said, it's 420D Ripstop nylon throughout the tent, from the bottom to the top as well. So what I'm going to do next, I am going to take you inside the tent, and I am going to be showing the inside of the tent here. There is a pocket right there, a attachment for a light up here, so you can hang a light up there as well. Really nice, very durable ripstop material, and plus having that ground sheet on the bottom is going to help a whole lot with it not tearing from the bottom. It is a very heavy duty Oxford material, the footprint, so very nice that it does include that as well. So I am going to be taking measurements of the inside of the width, the length, and the height of this. So I am going to be doing that next. So before I do get to the measuring, I do want to show you that the bug netting does roll up, and it does also clip on to this right here. So it does clip on all the way, and it all stays together. So very nice system that this tent does offer. Very nice, very well made, very good quality. So the next thing I am going to be getting to is the measurements of the tent. Everyone, so now I'm going to be measuring the length, the width, and the height. So we have 78 inches of length. Three feet of width. And now I am going to measure the height. And we have 37 inches of height from the peak right up here in the center. I do want to demonstrate the room this tent does have to offer. Really nice and spacious. I really like the room that this tent does have to offer. A lot of room in here. As you can see, I fit in here very nicely. A lot of room. And then plus you also have a small pocket back here to put little accessories that you might want to put in there, like your cell phone, anything like that. Very roomy, very nice. Really nice ventilation in this tent. So lots of foot space also. You have lots of foot room as well. So really nice that it does offer a lot of foot room. I am in the tent. I just wanted to show you lots of room that this tent does offer. As you can see, like I said, 37 inches of headroom. As you can see, I'm way above that, so I am sitting down in here. Really nice. It does offer a lot of space in here. That is the bottom of the tent itself. Really nice. I really like all the room that it does offer. As you can see right here, very spacious. I do have my cell phone in this pocket. That is the pocket it does offer. I did want to show you guys here, right here is the doors, and they are all together. And as you can see, it does have these little line locks right here that you can tension them up to put them together. So really nice that it does offer that. And here are the zipper pulls, and you have them on both sides as well. So really nice, a lot of spacious room, very ventilated. Like I said, very nice. As you can see, here's the mesh and the bug netting, very fine bug netting that it does have on it, so even the smallest bug's not going to get in it. So I just wanted to demonstrate, and I did want to show you guys what do I look like inside this tent. Very nice, lots of room, a lot of ventilation in here. You're not going to have no problem with ventilation. This is a 3-season tent, so it's going to be good for 3 seasons. It's going to go work very well. It's going to close off very well. So the next thing I do want to show you guys is the Rainfly, and I do want to demonstrate and show you everything it does offer. So that's the next thing I am going to do. Everyone, there is the tent set up with the Rainfly. That is 420D Ripstop nylon. This is taped and seamed, so it is 100% waterproof. So you're not going to have to worry about no leaks, none of that. So what I'm going to be doing next is I am going to be taking you around the Rainfly, and we're going to be taking a look at it. And here we go. Nice Rainfly, everyone. I really like this Rainfly. Here is the cover for the zipper system, and it does have 2 velcros here, and again it does have that really nice neon, and it is double zippers as well. You can see that the other zippers on the bottom. So I am going to be opening up the vestibule that it does have here. It does have a really nice roomy vestibule, as you can see. Very nice, a lot of room in there, and this is taped and seam, everyone. As you can see right here that the way it is taped and seamed. So this is 100% waterproof. You're not going to have no problems with any water leakage or any of that, because it is 100% waterproof, and it is double stitched throughout, so very nice fabric, very nice materials that it does offer. So they did a very good job on this tent. So I really like what they did. Really nice. Everything that it does have. Here are tie-off points, and again they do have reflectance here, the tie-off points. So there is one tie-off point right here, also a toggle right here to roll up the side door of the vestibule itself, and it is reflecting as well, also with the tie-off point here. Very nice. Let's take you around over here, and you have another tie-off point here, and it is a very durable, very strong double stitch tie-off point. I do want to go around and show you all this wonderful stitching that it does have throughout the tent. Very nice, very well stitched, very well manufactured. Here you go, guys. Here is another tie-off point for the other door of the vestibule itself, and it does offer another reflectant here. Really nice. Over here in the ends, very nice double material and double stitched for the bottom here. And here is the buckle itself that buckles down the Rainfly. Really nice, very easy setup, no problem to set it up. Here is a vent here that also does come down in a very windy, stormy night, and just not to let any water or anything come inside the tent. So really nice that it opens up very easily, and it can ventilate your tent. So here is the bottom here, and it does open up the Rainfly to get more ventilation on the bottom of it. Very nice. I am going to take you around, and here you go, the other vestibule area. We do have two vestibule areas. Really nice that you do have two vestibule areas, so you could put equipment on one side, you could put dirty boots on the other side. Very nice that it does offer all that. Same Velcro, same double zippers that it does offer throughout. Very nice. And also here you have one tie-off point on this side, and you have another tie-off point here, and both tie-off points also do offer the reflector on the tips. So very nice that it does offer that. And you do also have the toggles here to open up the vestibule areas on either side with reflectors as well, as you can see here too. So very nice. On this side as well, you have another vent to get ventilation. So I'm going to go, and I am going to show you the top of this all the way around. So all in all, everyone, very nice, very high quality tent. I'm loving this tent. This is going to be one of my go-to tents when I go on trips. Very well constructed and very well made. So everyone, I did want to give you a glimpse of what this tent looks like with the vestibule open and also the screen open and everything. Very nice. 420D ripstop nylon. Like I said, it's also waterproof. It's taped and seamed. Very nice Oxford ground sheet that it does come with. So it does come with a footprint, the Rainfly. It comes with everything. 12 stakes, 4 guy lines. I didn't have to put out the guy lines every one, just for the fact is that it's a nice day today. So when it is very windy, yes, get the 2 guy line points that are on both sides. You have one there and you have another one there, and then the same thing on the other side. You have 4 that are gonna run off, and it's gonna hold down your tent perfectly on a very windy day. So very nice tent, really love it. I am gonna take it with me in areas that I do need to go tenting. So very nice. I will leave the link in the description for all my YouTube subscribers. And everyone, If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me any messages and I'll answer them as best as I can. And as always, everyone, I'll see you in the next video.